Hi there, and welcome to the Lead Generation Plan Playbook. Use this step-by-step playbook and set of premium tools and templates to create a comprehensive lead generation plan. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Also included is a maturity model that helps you understand where your organization sits in the spectrum of lead generation maturity. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step, starting with stage number 1, understanding lead gen. Here, your first step is to conduct a lead generation assessment, learn the secrets to lead gen success, and understand the revenue marketing journey. In stage number 2, we're going to plan your strategy. And here, the first step is to create the marketing funnel. Then prioritize lead generation programs, define your lead generation strategy plan, craft a content marketing plan, and develop a lead acquisition model. Stage 3 is about defining what a lead is. And here, the first step is to agree on the definition of a lead, followed by defining lead scoring parameters. In stage 4, we're going to implement technologies. And that starts by implementing an SFA CRM system, and then ultimately a marketing automation system afterwards. Stage 5 is about lead generation programs. And here, your first step is to organize your lead gen programs and then plan your advertising campaigns. Get inside sales motivated with metrics, develop a podcasting program, engage targets with webinars, and generate leads from industry trade shows. In the last stage, stage 6, we're going to evaluate the program ROI. And here, we're going to build a lead generation dashboard to make that happen. Remember that you can access all these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Lead Generation Plan framework. Succeed with lead generation today by downloading and leveraging this playbook.